Yeah, good evening. I go by my name is Skywet. If you are seeing my video for the first time, like my video and subscribe to this channel for more videos on how to make money online. Yes, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make good sales like up to $400 daily on ClickBank Affiliate Marketing. Yes, as you all know that affiliate marketing is just selling products for companies and getting commission for each product to sell. So the method by which you can easily access your customers and sell more products is the method that can earn you more money also. So in this video, I use a software which I develop myself. I'm also a software developer. The software generates targeted organic traffic from Instagram and broadcast and send your sales page or your affiliate product to these targeted traffic for daily sales. Yeah. So I have recorded a complete video course that will guide you step by step on how to use the software on ClickBank Affiliate Marketing. So to get the software and video course and start already, you can just contact me on my Gmail at skyauto71@gmail.com or on Telegram. This number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyauto71@gmail.com or on Telegram. This number you can see on the screen. Also, there's room for account management. Maybe you are busy or you need your account to be managed by a professional. You can subscribe for weekly or monthly account management. Yeah, your account will be managed and you have good sales like the one you can see on the screen. Yeah, this is one of my student accounts. I just have to check and make a video with the account also because we got the software I think February 2nd. So you can always contact me and reach out to me to get started. Even as a beginner that knows nothing about affiliate marketing or about ClickBank or about the software, as a beginner, my video course is self-explanatory and to guide you step by step. Yeah. So have a wonderful day.